Hey guys, quick video. Where is the money at? Freelance, mobile, and game developer, or web dev, or web developer, full stack web dev? I don't know if there's a question of more money. I don't know if you're going to be paid more as a game developer, as a web developer. But what I do know, typically there's many more jobs as a web developer. So in that sense, there's probably more money in web development over game development simply because there's just so many more jobs. Game development is attractive because it seems like fun. Hey, I'm building games. But the fact of the matter is what you're going to find as you get into software development in general, it's software development. You know what I mean? Yeah, you'll have your own things that you like better, in terms of the style of coding that you do and the type of stacks and frameworks and libraries that you work with. But at the end of the day, that's less related to whether you're building a game or you're building an e-commerce store. It has much more to do with the code that you're actually working with and the libraries you're working with. So yeah, short answer is that I don't think dollar you earn per hour, I don't think there's much of a difference, although I've done some videos. There's some minor differences here and there. At the end of the day, though, it's more about availability and opportunity. I think I know there's tons more opportunity as a full stack developer, as a web developer, than a game developer, simply because of the demand. Much more demand. All right, I hope you found this video useful. All right, bye-bye. This is Grand Prix weekend in Montreal. I don't even know if you're going to hear me. So I'm going to give you a little tour around St. Catherine, the street right in front of me here. Tons of people from all over the world coming to this big event. And the first nice day of the summer and the spring, I think. All right, talk soon.